Okay, so let's go through this set. The following table gives the responses of these four people. The answer to each question is either true or false. Okay, a person can either choose to leave a question or attempt it. Okay, each person gets a 3 marks for correct. Also, there is no negative marks for unattempted or incorrect question. So the marking scheme is +3 and 0. Okay. Okay. And give okay, there is no negative marking. So basically, we are given their attempts are given, and these they haven't attempted. Okay, these are the questions which they haven't attempted. Okay, so in this we have to make cases. Okay, and for such questions, like this is the table, like question attempted wrong. Okay, we always start with the person who scored the highest marks. Okay, had there been any person with 5 all correct, then we would have taken all his marks as correct, and then we would have checked and we would have easily gotten. But since one is not given over here, so we have to make cases. Okay, so first case, we'll suppose that is for first 4 answers. So how many cases will be made? Okay, out of 5, this Deepak's 4 choices need to be correct. Okay, so 5C4 means 5 cases will be made. Okay, and based upon these cases we have to check for others. Okay, in the case it satisfies for others as well, we'll go for it. Okay, like first we have taken 1 2 3 4 as correct. Okay, now look for second highest person is, who is this person? Bhushan. Okay, look for him only. Okay, this is true. If true is correct, so this is wrong, this is wrong, sorry, so this is false is correct, so this is wrong, again this is true, so this is correct, this is false, so this is wrong, this is false, we don't know. Okay, now his marks are 9. Okay, his marks are 9. Okay, so and so his marks are 9 means his 3 attempts needs to be correct out of these 5, but we can see that his only this attempt is correct, and max to max this will be correct. Okay, then his score will be 6. Okay, so this case of first 4 being correct is not possible. Okay, so now we'll take next case to be 1 2 3 as correct, 4th as wrong, and 4th as wrong, and we'll list down cases over here. Okay, so that later on it becomes easy for us. 1 2 3 4 cases gone. Okay, now 4 is wrong and 6 we will take correct. Okay, look for Bhushan, as I told, second highest person. So Bhushan is, this is true, so this is wrong, this is false, so this is wrong, this is true, this is correct, this is false, so this is true, false is wrong means the answer is true. Okay, now here we don't know, here we don't. Now see, his marks are 9, so this has to be 9 over here. Okay, so this we will take true. Okay, now let's check for Chandu, because it is satisfying for Aman as of now. Okay, now let us look for Aman and Chandu as well. Okay, Aman we can't, Chandu only we can. Okay, so this is true, so this is also true, this is true, so this is wrong, this is false, so this false is wrong, so true is correct, this is true, so this is wrong, and this is false means this is wrong. Now his marks are 6. Are his marks 6? Chandu's 1 2, yes, this is 6, so this is absolutely correct. Okay, so our case of 1 2 3 6 as correct responses for Deepak. Okay, we will write 1 2 3 6 as correct responses for Deepak is correct. Okay, now here we can also find out, here we'll come to this point later on. Okay, now we'll we'll have to look for other cases. Okay, so this we have done. Now there we cannot move. Okay, now other case will be what? 5 cases will be there. Remember, we have to check. Okay, had the questions would have been with options like A B C D and no option of cannot be determined, then we would have gone for 1 2 3 6 case and we would have done this. Okay, so now let us check other options as well. Now 1 2 4 6 as correct and 3 as wrong. Okay, so in this case again check for Bhushan first. This is true, so this is wrong, this is false, so this is sorry this is false, no? So this is wrong. Now if this is true, this is also wrong. So now no need to check forward, because we got 3 crosses for Bhushan. Okay, so this case is not even possible. Okay, as soon as you get 3 crosses for Bhushan, immediately stop that case. Okay, no sorry, what was the case? We haven't written it down. So the case was 1 2 4 6. Okay, also 1 2 3 6 is also checked. Okay, so 2 more cases we are left with. Now in this case 2 is wrong and these 3 are correct. Okay, now this is true, so this is wrong, false is wrong, so true is correct, true is correct, so true is correct, false is wrong, false is wrong, false is correct, so this true is wrong, and here this has to be correct. Okay, now we got 3 ticks, so we have to check further as well. Okay, if this is false, so this is wrong, this is correct. Okay, now this is true, so this is wrong, this is false, so this is wrong, this is true, so this is wrong. Now see, we got 4 crosses for Chandu, but Chandu's 2 ticks are needed, so this case is also gone. So this case was 1 1 3, 4 and 6. Okay, so we are left with only last case to check is one wrong and rest all correct. Okay, and as soon as we are done with this, we are done. So this is correct, this is correct, this is correct, this is correct, this is wrong. Okay, so true is wrong means false is correct, and here true is wrong. Now false is correct, so true is wrong. Now true is correct, so true is correct. False is correct, so true is wrong. So this has to be correct, then only we'll get 9 for Bhushan. So now see, if this is true, this is true, this is wrong. This both are false, so this is wrong. This is true, so this is wrong. We got 4 crosses, no need to check. This case is gone. So we are left with only one case. Okay, and that case is this 1, 2, 3 and 6 as correct. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 6 correct. Okay, so now let us write the correct answers for each. For 1 correct answer is true, for 2 correct answer is false, for 3 correct answer is true, for 4 correct answer is false is wrong, so this is true. For 5 we will come to this later on. For 6 correct answer is false. Okay, now this is correct, these both are false, this answer is false, so these both are wrong. This answer is true, so this is correct, this is wrong. This answer is true, so these all are correct. Now this we don't know, this is false, so this is correct and this is wrong. Okay, now for Bhushan to be 9, this has to be correct, so answer of this is true. This is wrong and this is wrong. So let us check. 6 marks satisfied. Okay, so we are done. So this is our final case. Okay, now marks of Aman will be how much? 6 marks. Okay, so the question number is how many marks did Aman score? So 6 is the answer. What is the answer for question number 4? Question number 4 answer is, you can see that it is true. If it is true, mark 1, so 1 we will write. Okay, what is the answer for question 6? Question 6 answer is F. F means 2, so 2. What is the answer for question 1? Question 1 answer is true. True means 1. So this is it. This was the set.